Our final task is to learn how to pull files from Schoology, where the teacher posts, bring them into Notability, and then turn them back into Schoology when we're finished editing. To start out, click on the Schoology app. If you have to navigate back to the class, click the 3 lines for the menu. Click on Courses, choose iPad Orientation, and we're in. Click into the Notability folder, and then find the PDF that the teacher has posted. Click on that PDF file. Right now it's still in Schoology, but we can bring it into Notability where we can edit. Click this Share button in the top right corner. Scroll over in the middle until you find Copy to Notability. We want to create a new note. These things will append this document at the end of an existing note. We don't want that, so just click the blue button. You get to choose which folder it goes into, so I'll just put this in, Introduction, and then click Import. Okay, this is what you should see. Teachers, pause the video now. Make sure every student has taken the file from Schoology and imported to Notability, and give students a chance to fill out the information here. Okay, we're finished with the document and we have to turn it back in to our teacher so they can grade it. The first thing to do is click the Share button in the top left corner, and then click Other Apps at the bottom. Click on Format, and it's crucial that we choose PDF. If your teacher is going to read this document, it has to be a PDF. Sharing this in other formats may make the file inaccessible to your teacher, and you could lose points. Paper usually will be slid to the off position, but if you have grid lines and you want those to show up to your teacher, slide this to the on position. When we're finished, click Share Note. Again, we can scroll over until we find Schoology. There it is, Copy to Schoology. And teachers, you can pause the video now to make sure everyone makes it to this page. All right, we are now in the Schoology app. Let's continue and submit to assignment. Click the top button. Find the class, iPad Orientation, and then click on the correct assignment, which is, we're looking at the Notability assignment. So click that middle button and click Upload. Okay, at this point we should all be finished uploading. I want to show you one last thing, which is how to check and make sure your submission was received by Schoology. Click the back arrow. This takes us back to the Schoology course. And find that assignment. Here it is at the bottom. Click on it. This is the info under the Info tab. Click on Submissions. And you should see, you will see just one revision. Click on that revision, and you should be able to see the file you uploaded. Thanks for watching.